So now you can use your earphone. You can use your earphone. I will stop like that. Okay. So the question is something. Okay. Which habit would you like to stop this year? This is the question. Which habit?
Which have
Yeah.
okay. So, ma'am, when I thought I want to improve my English, then I didn't um, don't know how to habitual of this method. Okay, I think it's LSRW method. I knew that.
Mm.
Okay, listening, speaking, reading, writing. Okay, but I didn't habitual this method. But nowadays, I think it's very important for me because if you want to improve your English, then you can work with this method. Okay, I think listening, speaking. Okay, but in these days, I am habitual of this method. Okay, now I am listening a lot. I think it's 1 or 2 hours per day, and speaking
1 hour,
with some.
2 hours. What
Yes, ma'am.
time do you listen? Evening time or night time or afternoon time?
Mostly I listened in morning time. Okay,
Morning
because
time.
I morning time and speaking speaking some strangers, but I didn't get many more people because I have no YouTube channel, or I don't have any coverage to connected with people. So whenever I get any videos on my YouTube, okay, and like your account, when I saw your videos on YouTube, then I go to your description box and pick up the email ID and I mail you. So like that way, I try to habituate myself to talk stranger people. Okay. Like that, I want to grow my habit like that in these days.
Okay, you want to make your habit to speak with stranger and you want to be disciplined for following these four pillars like
Yes.
listening, speaking, reading, writing. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, this is nice habit, I would say. Yeah. So I have next. If I answer of these questions, so what is something? What is this procrastination? I think this is the habit I have. So I really want to stop this here. And sometimes I think almost everyone does this thing, right? They have a habit of procrastinations. They just put off the things, and I just want to improve. I don't want to be that person that who just procrastinate everything, because sometimes what happens, I feel very regret if I procrastinate it, if I don't show up on the time. Sometimes it happens with me. I become couch potato, something lazy person. So I don't like this thing about me. So this is one habit that I really want to stop this year. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Also, it's happened with me because procrastination. You said when we start our work. Uh, I think if I talk about myself, then I in that morning I started listening. Okay, then after 10 minutes or 20 minutes or 5 minutes, that I remember that how okay I scrolled my Facebook, and when I started scrolling Facebook, then it will get 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Okay, gone.
Hmm.
So that
Yeah.
time I thought, oh, what I am doing. Okay, I want to listen a lot in English conversation. After that,
Hmm.
I think
There are lots of distraction, I would say.
yes, yes, lots of distractions and procrastination. We have remove our procrastination. So if we, I think it's myself that if I release my procrastination, then I could better in my life. Okay.
Hmm,
or my
exactly.
English journey.
Yeah, but now what I can see, what I can say, like early in the morning, we shouldn't use the phone very early. We should do some important works. That is very important. For example, we should, if we are the person who what do we say, distracts easily. Okay, so we should what we should do. We should try to read something. We shouldn't use our phone if we want to study something English, so we should start from reading. So we will not get distraction in this way. And when it comes to listening something, so we can do another time, afternoon and night time. It's like right time, I think. If you don't what do we say, dis- distracts easily, then you can start your listening skill, listening in the morning time. There is no problem, I think.
Okay. Ma'am, I said I listened in the morning time. Okay, but it's not that much morning time.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay, I have the second question. If money didn't matter, what would you do tomorrow?
If money,
If money didn't matter, what would you do tomorrow?
so I think money is very important in our life. Okay,
Mm.
but when if
It,
you get,
yeah, yeah, carry on,
sorry, ma'am.
carry on. Yeah, I said like जैसे कि money matter नहीं करती, so what would you do tomorrow? This is question, yeah.
Okay. If money didn't matter,
Yes, what would you do? Mean there is no importance of money. You can do anything. It's like tomorrow, it's your day, and money doesn't matter.
I got your point. Okay, so I think I am very strict about my future. Okay, so I want to. Earlier, I said I want to be a teacher, and in that purpose, I if I get any time tomorrow, either except money without money. Okay, so I want to complete my exam syllabus because if I get the job or if I get the opportunity, then money will come automatically.
Hmm, exactly. Yeah, that is
I
right.
think
Yeah, it's right. It means that because
you
of
got my point.
money, yeah, I got it. Money, it's not important. Then you'll full focus on study. Yeah, that is very nice answer. Okay, if I answer of this question, so I think what would I do if money doesn't matter? I will do everything, whatever I like. For example, like whatever I like. For example, if once we start something, now we have expectation from our parents. What are parents' expectations? They criticize us that you are not a good person, you don't earn money because no one respects you without money. If you have money,
Yes,
everyone's come to you, everyone's speak to you, everyone's wants to become your friend like this, right? But
yes,
if so there will be no expectation from my parents, right? They will not expect anything, especially money. So I'll do according to myself because what happens like when we start something, we do our best, right? And if someone's just keep expectation from you related money, then you feel like it's like very overwhelming, it's very stressful because you are working hard and you're very beginner, you are starting and it's your beginning time and you are full focusing on the things on your work and you want to upskill your language, anything upskill, you want to improve yourself in that work, right? So
yes,
you're full focus on your work, right? But if someone says just keeping expectation from you related money, you have to earn more, so it is like very it's like a pressure pressure on your mind, I think. So I'll do it if money doesn't matter. So I'll do my work with my with my whole heart, I would say. And I'll be stress free, I think. I'll be stress free doing every work, I would say. That is my answer.
So, how, ma'am, you have a YouTube channel, right?
Yes.
So, in your YouTube channel purpose, so how many emails do you get in a day
How many emails? Almost three, I think, three emails.
per day?
Not per day, second, third day like this. Not per day.
And
Yeah.
how many sessions do you one day?
Come again? I didn't hear you.
How many sessions do you take one day?
Honestly, I'm not taking the conversation regularly because of technical issue on laptop. Sometimes it happens, and yesterday it also happened. Like I could not take any session, so I went to live. I went to live, so that happened. Otherwise, I used to take the session every day back then time. But
Okay.
now I delay sometimes. I just take break for 2 3 days because of just because of this technical issue on my laptop.
Are you using laptop or mobile phone?
It's laptop. Hmm. Yeah, but when it comes to take session with tutor, clapping with tutor, I take. I just try my best to take every day. Helps me to do everything with full concentrations and on the time and with full focus, I would say. And I enjoy each and everything. So first, the foremost thing is like I like to do pronunciation practice. I do pronunciation practice because there are some words that I mispronounce. Like there are some letters that I think that because of mother tongue influence, I think so it happens. So I know my mistakes, so I'm just working secretly on my like flaws, on my shortcomings that I'm just working on it. So I give 15 minutes to do pronunciation practice every day. I just take help of YouTube and I just do practice by ChatGPT. I ask ChatGPT just give me some words so I can just practice of my mouth moving practice. Like I can just muscle memory practice because sometimes what happens that we know the right words. Okay, we know how to pronounce it. Even it's not like that. I don't know how to pronounce the words. I can pronounce the word, but I just exchange the words while just speaking. For example, there is a bad and bed, right? So what happens? So when I'm just saying this, so it just there is only one sounds come bed, not bad. Sometimes it happens because of just our mother tongue influence, because of just our own language. It happens because our muscle memory, our mouth is trained like that. Okay, it's not like that. We don't know the difference between these sounds. It's not like that. But that's why I'm just working on my this weakness, this problem, and every day I do practice because I really want to improve, because I feel embarrassed about it. If someone's point out my this mistake, it really makes me feel very embarrassed. So that's why I'm working for 15 minutes only, 15 minutes. And I do sentence practice for 15 minutes. Again, I just repeat the sentences, whatever I just save in my notebook and in my phone. So I just repeat them. Then I make my own sentences, which on so I make my own sentences and take the feedback from ChatGPT that am I making the correct sentence? Is there any preposition mistake, anything? So it guides me. ChatGPT guides me that no, it's not like you are making right, and yeah, it guides me, I would say. So I'm able to improve my sentence formation this way. I do this practice for 15 minutes as well, and after that I do reading half an hour. I like to read novels and stories as well on ChatGPT. So I read these. So I So it also I practice. I don't use my phone. I do listening practice at night time. At night time. So after reading half an hour, I just do help my mom in chores work, and after that I do some editing. I just I do editing and upload my video on YouTube. Then I get free and I take a nap for a while in the afternoon time every now and then, not every day. After this, I take coaching, and after getting free from all these things, I do practice speaking practice every now and then on ChatGPT. Then in evening time, I get free. I help my mom in dinner for preparing dinner, and after that, I do listening practice. Then I go to bed. Yeah, this is all about me. This is my routine.
Okay, so you did a lot of work in a day, I think.
Yes, I do. I get tired very much. I get.
Uh, so I
And
think I want to
in
ask
the
one.
afternoon time, I take the conversations. Every now and then, take conversation. Mostly, I'm going to live because I already mentioned that I have technical issue on my laptop. So in the afternoon time, I take the sessions and go to live as well. So this much I do, I would say.
Okay, so you did lots of work per day. I think
Hmm.
it's you do this continuously.
Yes, every day. If I don't do it, I feel like I didn't do anything. I didn't do any productive thing. Yeah.
Okay. Because I think routine can be change our mind, and
Hmm.
we when we take it 7 days or 10 days, after that we get habitual of this
Hmm.
type of work. I think.
Exactly, that's true. So now we need to wrap up this session. It was really nice talking with you. It's going to half an hour, I think. It's like 10 minutes left. Okay, so I want your introduction again because earlier I didn't record this record your introduction, and people will be curious to know about yourself. So just introduce yourself in few lines.
Okay. So I So, ma'am, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. As you know, my name is Tariqul Islam, and I am from Bangladesh. And recently, if I talk about my education, recently I have completed my graduation, and now I am pursuing my master's in political science. And apart from that, nowadays I trying to enhance my communication skills so that I am here for this conversation. Okay, so it's pretty much about me.
It's nice introduction. Okay, so it was really, really nice talking with you. I really enjoyed.
What do you think about my English?
About
Because
your
I am a beginner.
English, yeah, I would say
Yes,
that you are doing well. You have to do just keep practicing. You have to keep practicing like this, and you can connect with tutor. As you mentioned that you have a plan to take subscriptions
yes,
in the
I have a plan.
future. Yeah. So you should take subscription. The more you will practice, the more you'll get the confidence, I think, and you are speaking well. Yeah, as far as I notice.
Okay, thank you, ma'am, for your feedback.
Yeah.
I
You're most welcome.
really don't know.
Hmm.
Okay,
Yeah, thank you so much. Bye. Have a nice day.
thank you.
Bye.